down to predictability. The milkman, the paper boy, evening TV. Did I get delivered here? Somebody tell me, please. This whole world confusing me. Clouds as mean as you've ever seen. Ain't a bird who knows you're true. Then a little voice inside you whispers, don't sell your dreams so soon. Everywhere you look, there's a heart, a hand to hold on to. Everywhere you look, there's a face of somebody who needs you. Everywhere you look.
Okay, so hey guys, today I'm going to do like a homeschool video. So they're doing homeschool because I don't really want to send them to school because of COVID and all that stuff, and blah blah blah. So yeah. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do a little morning work thingy. So yeah, we're not gonna do this whole packet, but there are some coloring sheets in here. I'm just gonna hand them out some. But yeah. Okay. Okay, so what we're gonna do, I'm gonna say a not nice thing to do, and then you're gonna change it into a different sentence to where it sounds like it's a nice thing to say, okay? Sally pushed snacks down on the playground. Chloe. You could say Sally played on the playground with Max. Good. The next one is Lisa stole her friend's eraser from her desk. Olivia. You could say Lisa is in the same class with her friend. Good. That's a really good one. We're going to do partner work. So we did partner work last time. So we're going to do it the same, but I'm going to try to find all the things that I found. I don't know where they are. I'm going to watch a quick little video on here. And after we watch this video, we're going to do a little bit of math work, and then we can have playtime. What parish we live in? Do you know, Clea?
Yeah, I know.
What is it?
We live in Rapides Parish.
Good. That was really good. Okay, and now I'm going to look up a parish song so we can learn about our parish and other parishes. So unfortunately,
Hey guys, this is Romeo, and today I'm going to talk to you about the 7 continents of the world. Come on,
so I couldn't find a parish song probably because we're the only Louisiana has parishes. So yeah.
So they're going to watch this song about the 7 continents.
Yeah.
just do this thing already.
Who's excited? We are! Woo!
No one has playtime because next is playtime.
Woohoo!
That was pretty fun, huh?
Yeah!
Okay.
Can we go outside and play, Mommy?
Huh?
They want to go outside.
No.
Why?
It's gonna rain in a couple seconds.
Hey guys, it's Chloe. I have the phone a little too close. Hey guys. So I'm starting a petition for Mommy to let us go play outside for playtime because kids need to go outside.
First of all, the only reason you're not going outside because there's a hurricane. We have to finish up school because the lights are about to turn off. Y'all are about to have no playtime. If you don't stop talking back.
Oh no, she
Okay,
didn't.
you know what? We're not having
Excuse me, Mommy. I'm trying to vlog here. So hey guys, this is Olivia and June. So Talia's over there, and then Chloe's right there. Oh, and then there's Mommy right here. So yeah, I just wanted to say hi.
Okay, you know what? I haven't heard a single word from June
June literally just said hi.
No, she didn't.
Yes, she did. She was on my vlog.
Okay, then Kalia is the student of the week. Okay, next we're going to read a book. We have skipped 2 things. We've skipped recess. Well, that's really the only one because I didn't really want to do partner time. So we skipped recess because y'all going to be quiet. We're going to read at least 1 chapter of Frog and Toad. Okay, so I'm not really reading the schedule right. So we skipped math. We definitely need to do that. Okay, so this is the order I'm going to go in. I'm going to call on you and you're going to tell me the answer, okay? So first is Kalia, then is June, and then Olivia, and then Chloe.
Why do I always have to go last?
Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to give them a little sheet like this.
What are they learning? Show them what
They're
the kids are
learning
on.
sometimes 0, sometimes 1, sometimes 2. But I'm not gonna give Kalia one. I'm just gonna use one for example and ask her the questions like after they do it. So yeah, we're going in an order. It's gonna be Kalia, June, Olivia, then Chloe. They're gonna all have a pencil. They're gonna share one. So yeah. Okay, so this is the order I'm going to go in. I'm going to call on you and you're going to tell me the answer, okay? So first is Kalia, then is June, and then Olivia, and then Chloe.
Why do I always have to go last?
You're about to do your own paper all by yourself. I'm just going to do theirs. Okay, so shut your mouth. Thank you. Okay.
Hey guys, it's Chloe again. I just stole the camera again from the camera lady. And I just want to tell you guys, I feel like my mom is being really inconsiderate of my feelings. She's being very rude to me today. And I didn't really do anything wrong. So, Mommy, please be nicer to me. Thank you.
So, okay, Kalia, you're going to answer this first one. 2 times 0, Kalia.
It's 0.
Good. That's really good. Okay, so everybody is going to write on their paper 0. Now, you're doing plus. 2 plus 1, good. It's 3. But anything times 1 is the other number. So 2 times 1 equals?
2.
Good. You did good. Now, everyone write on their paper 2. Okay, so I'm going to tell you how to do times. If you have anything times 1 or 1 times, you're going to... Okay, anything times 1 is going to be the other number. Anything times 0 is going to be 0. Now, anything times 2 is you're just doubling the other number, okay? Now, next is, I think, June. Yeah, June. What is 2 times 1?
3.
Good. No.
You said good.
I'm going to say all the answers. Number 1 was 0. Number 2 was 2. Number 3 was 4. Number 4 was 6. Number 5 was 8. Number 6 was 10. Number 7 was 12. Okay, so now we're going to do history. I'm going to read a little paragraph. Well, not really little. It's not a paragraph. It's a little page of Helen Keller. And then we're going to do some words and stuff. So she couldn't talk, hear, or see. Helen lived in a dark world without sound until one special person broke through the darkness and silence.
See, Sharon, this is why you're not allowed in here during homeschool time. Guys, ignore Sharon. Guys, just ignore. Just go on with your business.
You don't even live here. This is what Karen did to me. You see it?
It looks like an. Oh wait.
Is it purple? Wait,
Yeah, it's a little purple.
Yeah. She punched me in the face.
Not able to see.
You can see why
hear, or
though.
speak. She could hardly communicate. You need to remember.
Where's your ID badge?
Can't see.
I'm the principal.
ATA.
Where is your ID badge?
You're Sharon.
I know. Where's your ID?
There's no principal at homeschool. Nice try, Sharon.
Yes, there is.
You may leave.
You said this was. I was like, where is it? What is this? This is Google Classroom. Get out of here.
Okay. So I wouldn't usually stop school early, but there is a tornado and a hurricane eruption. So everyone can pack your bags. You know what to do. Pack your bags. I'm getting the heck out of here!
So, we have to evacuate this school. There's an earthquake and a tornado and a tsunami and a volcano eruption. We'll get back to you.
Go.
Okay, so the older kids are packing their bags. They're old enough to pack their own bags, but I need to pack the little kids' bags.
We are evacuating because the area we are in is not safe, so we're going to
Yeah.
a safe house.
We're going to the north part because we live in the south part, so you know.
So we're just getting everything they need. So you got all their bottles.
Yes.
Get some clothes. Here's some pajamas. So yeah, here. Just there you go.
What?
Wait.
Is it here?
We're packing them some toys so the kiddos don't get bored.
Get down, the tornado's here.
The tornado is not here, guys. The tornado is not here.
I'm gonna put these bags up in the camper, and then I'm gonna pack my bags. Now I'm gonna pack my bags. Let's get some shorts. These. Not a glue stick. We don't need a glue stick. This. Definitely need some sleep. This is not mine. Do you need?
Oh, here's some more pajamas for the girls. I'll put this in their bag.
Okay.
Louisiana and Texas coast.
It's coming for us.
On the storm itself, it's 145 mile per
Okay, hey guys, it's Karen here, and
You're not
Karen. No, I'm Karen. So anyway, I don't know if you noticed, but I'm not pregnant anymore. I have my child. So just ignore
My
that.
name is Lexi Ray Ferris.
This is Lexi Ray. She's very adorable. This is the new member of the Ferris fam. Everybody show her some love and go like our recent Insta post. Hi guys, it's me, Karen. And as you can see, I have my child. I'm not pregnant anymore. So yeah, this is her. This is my baby, Lexi Ray Ferris. So, fun fact about Lexi is she was actually 8 pounds when she was born. So she's really big, but at the same time she's not. Like, she's really long. I think she's going to be tall. She's probably going to be like 6 feet tall. I don't know. But she's actually very skinny. She's a lot skinnier than her siblings, but she's very long. So yeah, this is Lexi. I had to get a C-section with her because she was actually so freaking fat. But she lost a little bit of weight, so she's kind of skinny now. So yeah, this is the child. Say hi. Hey, we're here to set up our beds.
I got the bottom.
Beaches.
I got the bottom. Evacuated to Danny's house because his
Beanie.
place.
Did you say beanie?
Okay, no, she said we evacuated to Danny's house. Why?
Here.
We are just setting up where we're sleeping. This is where Karen is sleeping. This is where we're sleeping, but obviously we got some work to do.
How to you?
Nothing.
Are you lying to me?
Nah.
And action!
Yeah, why they moving so fast? Why we going so fast?
Okay, continue. Weather report and go.
Hello, welcome to CNN News 20. Today we are out here in a hurricane. That's his name, right? I think. No, it's Danny. Forget which one's which. I think he's questioning his life at the moment. Anyways, as you can see, look, bro, why is there a red dot on our water tower? I know you see it, don't you?
Yeah, I don't know. right, continue with the news report.
Oh, our tree fell over!
Where?
And our back gate is wide open.
Okay, now you can see that these trees have moved, hopefully. Or unless you're blind. Oh, the Lord! I can't really see very well because you see I'm wearing glasses and it's kind of going crazy out here. So that's fun. Danny is going to fix the flag. And Sharon's dying. How did you get a tree stuck in your hair?
You mean how did it
Oh, I see it.
Ow, ow, ow. Is it gone?
Hold on. No, yeah, okay, wait, no. Okay, you're good. You're good.
Ow.
Do it again.
I'm proud to be in the
Do it again.